So I've got this block and bell housing and motor mounts and all these things all mounted together because I'm in the process of making an adapter plate. So this 1.5 inch aluminum plate will be replacing this flange, and with it I'll be able to mount this surface directly onto here, and same deal on that side with gaskets and bolts. And so far the process has been finding this material, machining out that register to seal around that O-ring, and similarly on this side, which will mount inside of here. So what I've done is I've shortened the output shaft of the T56 by that much. So with this off here, there's still lots of spline left in front of it to mate up with the transfer case. This is actually the area where the speedometer gear on the Camaro would have been, but the speedometer gear on the all-wheel drive is in the back, so that's not a problem. And that's going to make this whole thing fit together and be short enough that the front drive shaft should fit, and I will use the bottom side of this flange as the mounting surface for the transmission mount, which originally would have been on the bottom of this. So I'm definitely taking time to make sure that everything is lined up before drilling and mounting this adapter plate. Have the engine block sitting square on the bench, but the transmission on these definitely leans towards the driver's side. You can see the center line of that casting isn't really lined up with that one. And then the shifter platform also is tilted. And this is the C5 Corvette extension housing. And if you think that that bottom should be level, it really isn't. So our adapter plate's going to go on like that. And we have the beauty of actually being able to clock it wherever we need to. So I'm going to be putting it back in the chassis and finding our center points.